It has now been exactly 3 years since President Donald Trump took office.
And tonight, he now finds himself waiting for the start of his impeachment trial.
The president's legal team and House managers spent the weekend getting ready for it to start.
As Alice Barr tells us, we now know how the president's lawyers plan to defend him.
Mr. Alexander.
On the eve of the Senate trial, President Trump's legal team laying out a detailed defense in a 110-page trial memo calling his impeachment a rigged and brazenly political process. The attorneys urging senators to swiftly reject the charges that they say don't allege a crime and don't meet constitutional grounds for impeachment.
His abuse of power is not the criteria for impeachment, any more than dishonesty would be a criteria for impeachment.
Democrats point out the Constitution doesn't require a crime for impeachment, and they argue abuse of power is reason enough.
You have to ask ourselves, who is the president going to shake down next?
The Trump team's brief doesn't deny that the president pressured Ukraine to announce investigations of Democrats, including Joe Biden, but argues he was within his rights to pursue corruption. House impeachment managers readying their arguments to remove the president from office, saying he abandoned his oath to faithfully execute the laws and betrayed his public trust. The lead manager promising a fight to bring in new evidence.
Witnesses and documents.
President Trump on Twitter saying Democrats were in too much of a rush during House proceedings to wait for all the witnesses they wanted. And on this Martin Luther King Day, White House advisor Kellyanne Conway linking the president's impeachment struggles to those of the civil rights icon.
I don't think it was within Dr. King's vision to have Americans drag through a process.
Both sides fortifying their positions in the final day before the true fight begins. While lawmakers are facing off, President Trump will be spending the first day of the trial out of the country at the World Economic Forum in Switzerland. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.
And we will be watching every minute of that trial when it starts tomorrow.
That's right, and you can too. NBC News will have live coverage for us right here on Channel 13.